Good morning, my lovely student. Welcome to your GK class. Student, today I will teach you lesson 34, 37 and 38. So now let's start. So student, lesson 34. How do you measure? Okay. What do the following people use to measure? Draw a line to show what each person should use to measure. Student, first I am telling you meaning of measure. Okay, to find the size, weight, height, length, quantity, etc. of somebody or something in standard units by using an instrument. Okay, now let's start. Student, we will not draw a line. Okay, we will write the number of the object. Okay, now first, mom, you are late for work. Okay, so in this picture the child is telling his mother that you are late. Okay, student, suppose as if you have to reach school at 8 a.m. Okay, then what do you find out about your time? So student, we find out the time by watching the clock. Okay, student, how did she child know that his mother was late? Yes, by looking at the clock. Okay, so answer is C, watch. We will write here C. Okay, second, I need 2 cups of oil. Okay, so in this picture a cook need 2 cups of oil to cook. Oil is a liquid. We measure the liquid with measuring can. Okay, with the measuring can. So answer is measuring can, E. We will write here E. Okay, third, how many people in our family have birthdays in April? Student, in this picture the child wants to know about the birthday of how many people have their birthday in April. So student, April means month. So student, how do we find out the month, date and day? Yes, from the calendar. Okay, so student, right answer is B, calendar. We will write here B. Okay, B. And now fourth, it is hot enough to go swimming. In this picture the child is saying that it is very hot. Student, whenever someone has fever, how do we find out how much fever she has? We detect fever with a thermometer. In the same way, we also use thermometer to know how cold and hot the weather is. Okay, so right answer thermometer. Okay, so we will write here F. Okay, now F, thermometer. Fifth, wow, have you grown since last year? Okay, in this picture a woman is measuring the height of a child. Student, how do we measure the height and length of anything? Yes, answer is tape. Okay, now tape. We will write here option D, tape. Okay, now 6, I need 2 kilogram of hamburger. Okay, in this picture a child needs 2 gram hamburger. Student, how do we measure the weight of anything? Yes, we measure the weight of anything by balance. Okay, so right answer balance. We will write here option A, balance. Okay, student, Lesson 37, Indian toppers. Okay, given below are the pictures of some first Indians. Recognize them and write the correct letters against their names given in the circles. First, the first president of India. So, student, Rajendra Prasad was an Indian independence activist, lawyer, scholar, the first president of India in office from 1950 to 1962. He was born on 3rd December 1884. So answer is Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Okay, we will write here C. Second, the first woman president of India. So Pratibha Devi Singh Patil was the first woman to serve as President of India. She joined the Indian National Congress in 1962 at the age of 27. So answer is Pratibha Devi Singh Patil. So we will write here option F. Okay, Pratibha Devi Patil. Third, the first woman Prime Minister of India. So student, Indira Priyadarshini Gandhi was an Indian politician and a central figure of the Indian National Congress. She was the first and to date only female Prime Minister of India. Indira Gandhi was the daughter of Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of India. So answer is Indira Gandhi. We will write here E. Okay, E. Now fourth, the first Indian man to go into space. So student, Rakesh Sharma, Indian military pilot. In 1970, Sharma joined the Indian Air Force as a pilot. Okay, he spent 8 days in space station in April 1984. So answer is Rakesh Sharma. We will write here H. Fifth, the first Indian woman to go into space. So Kalpana Chawla was an American astronaut, engineer, and the first woman of Indian origin to go to space. Okay, she first flew on space shuttle Columbia in 1997 as a mission specialist and primary robotic arms operator. So answer is Kalpana Chawla. Option B. Okay. 6. The first Indian woman to climb Mount Everest. Student, Bachendri Pal is an Indian mountaineer who in 1984 became the first Indian woman to reach the summit of Mount Everest. She was awarded the third highest civilian award, Padma Bhushan, by Government of India. So answer is Bachendri Pal. Okay, now D. 7. The first Indian to get the Nobel Prize. Okay. So student, Rabindranath Tagore was a Bengali poet, short story writer, song composer, playwright and painter. In 1913, Rabindranath Tagore became the first man European to receive the Nobel Prize for literature. Okay, so right answer is Rabindranath Tagore. We will write here option G. Okay. 8th, the first Indian woman to become an IPS officer. Dr. Kiran Bedi is an Indian politician, retired Indian Police Service officer. She was the first female IPS officer and started her service in 1972. Okay, so answer is Kiran Bedi. We will write here A. Student, now lesson 38, newsmaker. Okay, student, in this chapter I will tell you about some famous personalities. So let's start. You can see here the first picture is of Narendra Modi, second is Barack Obama. Okay, now third Malala Yousafzai, fourth Bill Gates, fifth Kailash Satyarthi, and now Anna Hazare. Now use the above pictures as clues and write the names in the blank space. Okay, the first question is the president of the USA. So student, Barack Obama. Second is an American politician, a member of the Democratic Party. Obama was the first African American president of the United States from 2009 to 2017. So answer is Barack Obama. Okay. Second, the Prime Minister of India. You know Prime Minister of India? Narendra Modi. Okay, Narendra Modi. Narendra Modi is an Indian politician serving as the 14th and current Prime Minister of India since 2014. Third, the owner of Microsoft Corporation. So answer Bill Gates. Okay. So Bill Gates third is an American business, okay, software developer. He is best known as the co-founder of Microsoft Corporation. Okay. Fourth, a social activist of India. Answer is Anna Hazare. Okay, so now Anna Hazare, popularly known as Kisan Baburao Hazare, popularly known as Anna Hazare, okay, is an Indian social activist who lead movement of promote rural development, increase government transparency, and investigate and punish corruption in public life. Okay. Now fifth, the Nobel laureate from Pakistan. Now answer Malala Yousafzai. Okay. Now sixth, the Nobel laureate from India. Now answer is Kailash Satyarthi. Okay, so student, Malala Yousafzai is a Pakistani activist for female education and the youngest Nobel Prize laureate. Okay, and the Kailash Satyarthi is an Indian social reformer who campaigned against child labor in India. Student, today I have explained about measurement, Indian toppers and newsmaker. I hope it would be clear. Now homework, learn lesson 31, that is the state and their capitals. Have a nice day. Thank you.